in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I'll be showing how to get aesthetically pleasing phone screen. So if you want to know how I get that, make sure to subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. So first thing I have here a home screen. As you guys can see, my lock screen is super simple aesthetical. I have this purple aesthetic going on. So my total phone is purple aesthetic. So right now I have this on my screen, a super simple picture with Japanese code on it. So when you go to my home screen, this is the home screen. I got here the apps. As you guys can see, here I have the apps that I use: camera, notes, pictures, and call. And here I have the usual app settings, reminder, meals, and map. So how I changed the icons and how I did all this, I will tell you in a bit. But first I'm going to show you through how I made it anyway. So here I have a code that says adore you and a picture, and here I have my calendar. So on the next page I have here a clock, my steps, daily steps, how many steps I take, and a code, having no regrets is all that she really wants. A super simple code that I absolutely love. And here are my social. So now how I made all this, let's get into it. So before you guys need to get these icons changed and the widgets. For widgets, you will guys need a Widgetsmith app. I will insert the app picture right over here. So you guys can see this kind of app you will be needing to add these widgets in your screen. And to change the icons, all you will need is a shortcut app. This shortcut app is usually in your iPhones if your iPhone is brand new, like iPhone 11, 12, or maybe 6 XR. If you are a previous user, then you need to download it, and it's in the App Store. I have shown the icon over here, so you can download it and then we can continue the process. So first I'm going to start off how I changed the icons. Over here, as you guys can see, I changed the color and all that, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So I'm going to be going into the app shortcut. So I'm gonna need to change the colors, as I said. So you will need to click the plus icon and click add action and then click scripting. So open app and choose. So when you choose, you get all the applications that you have in your phone, literally all of them. You will get all of them over here on your screen. So let's just say I'm gonna click Netflix. And then I'm going to click these 3 dots on this side. I'm going to click add to home screen. So when you click that, there comes new shortcut number 1, and then you're going to click the picture here, and you can literally change it the way you would like. I'm just going to put the time icon because why not? And you can also edit the name, Netflix. There you go. And just click the add button, and it's automatically added to your home screen just like that. It is super simple and you can customize it the way you want. You can even make your apps look like this, like it's showing over here. I did not have to download any icons to make it look like this. For that, I will show you guys again. So I'm going to click the icon again, plus, and add action, scripting, open, and then choose a app. Just like I said again, camera, I'm going to choose the camera. Yeah, I'm going to choose the camera and I'm going to click the 3 dots, add to home screen. Before adding to home screen, I'm going to click the icon over here, and I'm going to change the color into purple, and then I'm going to click the gif. And here, as you guys can see, they already have so many more options to edit from. So I'm just going to be clicking camera. Where is the camera? Here's the camera. There you go. Just like that. Done. add to home screen. So before adding to home screen, I'm gonna edit the name camera, and done. It's literally done into my home screen. There you go. There it is, just like that. That's how you edit. That's how I edited these. I literally changed the color, that's all. And now we come to widget. How I added the widgets that you are seeing on the screen. So for that, you will go into this Widgetsmith app. You can add a small widget, a medium widget, or a super extremely large widget. Let's go with the large one. I'm gonna add a large widget. I'm gonna click this and click on it, and you can go downwards and you can add pictures as well. Pictures from your gallery, or you can choose from the app. You can also pay within the app to get, you know, more access for more fun pictures. But I'm gonna go with my own pictures. So from photos, the album select, I'm gonna add this quote. This is a super cute quote, and just gonna do that and name it cute. Save. I saved that. I'm gonna go to my home screen and just press here, and I'm gonna add the plus icon and gonna click. I'm gonna type widget, and now here you can select. As you can see here, you can probably select which size you want, small, medium, large. Since we just added a large one, so we are gonna click large, and we're gonna done. It brought a previous one, so we can edit the widget just like I said. And since I already named my previous widget, I can click that and save, and here we have it. It is a super cute widget that just like that. You can add as many as you want. I have my screen super simple, just like that. I don't want anything more. So yeah, that's how you can edit. You can add multiple widgets as much as you want, and as many as icon you would like to change. By the way, I know I will get this question in the comments, so before you ask me where I got these social icons, all you need to do, all I did was went into Google and just searched purple social media icons, just like that. And as you guys can see, this is the one that I selected. Just super simple purple images. You can get so many more and choose from them which aesthetic you like. So I like this one. I chose this one, and then I cropped it, and then I edited, and that's how I did my icons into those cute ones. So it's just simple as that. Also, the pages that you don't want to be showing on your screen, this is a simple hack. I mean, it's super simple. You can just click on it and it's not will be showing on the screen, just like that. Now it's hidden from the screen. I just hide it from the screen, and if you want, you can add it back in by clicking it, just like that. Just a tip, iOS 14 tip. You guys probably know by now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my own social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.